guys, another Friday upload. So today, new project reveal. Don't get too hyped. The Civic is gone. No more Civic. I got it scrapped. I got $100 for it. Beauty. We got the new project right over here.
Hop in a whip and I'm out. I need so much I can't count. Oh, and I don't need no college, cause I'm getting stupid amounts. Ayy, hop in a whip and I'm out. I need so much I can't count. Oh, and I don't need no college, cause I'm getting stupid amounts. Yeah, I'm getting stupid amounts. Ayy, so much that I'm losing accounts. Ayy, I think I'm staying around. Ayy, what is they talking about? Ayy, they know I've been in the lab, yeah.
Okay guys, so as you can see behind me, a 4x4 1998 Ford Ranger. Guess how much? $200. Okay, this is insanity. 4x4 works, I believe. I just switched it. It was a bit wonky at first, but I think I fixed it because I'm a super tech. So 4x4 is working. It just needs spark plugs now. Like, that's insane. I got it through one of my buddies, and then he bought it off my boss, so I bought it off my buddy Tyler for $200. So the goals with this thing is it's gonna be my project. Me and Dawson, we usually go halfers and stuff, but this time it's gonna be mine because I want something that can like actually trail ride. And it has a short wheelbase, it's got a lot of ground clearance, and we're gonna make this thing a real good off-roader, and it'll be able to keep up with the Jeep, or at least I hope. Okay, so let's start at the back. So it looks like we got a bit of a little lift going if you look at the front. And I think there's little 2-inch blocks, if you can see. We got the bed. The bed's got the liner. It needs some work. I'm taking this off completely. We're gonna take that out. We're gonna see how the bed is underneath all that. It's probably not great. But the rear end, yeah, she's definitely rusty, guys. She's got, I think 330K. 330K. It's a few dings, few scratches. It's an old rig for you. Got the front looking good. Nice and rusty. I still have to go in more detail with checking this thing over. It's got the 4-liter. She just buzzes. Nice and clean, actually. Haven't checked the fluids yet. That's something you should probably do. As far as the interior, terrible. Interior's terrible. Moldy everywhere. Mold everywhere. So I bought that stuff. We're gonna do that next video. So if you guys want to see that, stay tuned. I bought the 4x4 transfer case switch, and its 4x seems to be working right now, so it's a bit insane. My buddy told me it didn't. So if we go like this, you can hear that clunk, and it says 4 high. It never did that before. And then 4 low, you got to be in neutral. So you go back to 2, and it's ready. It's got a JVC unit here. Actually bumps some good tunes, you know, on the trails. It's wired for subs, so I can throw a sub right in there and start bumping 21. But yeah, it's really moldy, guys. We got to work on a lot of this stuff. Blinkers work, wipers work. Everything is like insane, guys. The deal on this is awesome. I really appreciate Bert and Tyler for this deal here. It's a great deal to keep the content pouring out. The Civic's gone, like I said. Awesome moments with that car, but it's time to move on to something 4x. Maybe this isn't as durable as the Civic, but we'll see. We're gonna definitely put it through the test. And you can hear Tyler put that tip on. The guys are plowing. You can hear this exhaust. So muffler's getting chopped, obviously. You guys shouldn't really be surprised. Yeah, guys, here it is. 98 4x4 XLT Ranger, 335K auto. The auto's a bit iffy. This lever is super bad. Like, I might have to find a way to fix that, maybe. We'll see. There you have it, guys. That's the new project. We're gonna be making bumpers. We're gonna be getting lights, maybe a roof rack. We might do something custom with the bed. We might take the bed off, but the only thing is, I want to keep it street legal so I can just drive it to Stave. I don't want to tow it every time. With a U-Haul, $800. So, yeah guys, it's gonna be an unreal project. Thank you guys so much for watching. You already know the name. In the last video, guys, it was an unreal video. Make sure you guys check out that video too, that one's crazy. Thank you so much, guys. Let me know if you enjoy watching this. Let me know if you enjoy the upcoming project. It's gonna be minty, boys. Peace.